Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board and see the distance of the wave in the LCD panel here. First, the ground pin of the Arduino board. Ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Then power pin is connected to 5 volts here in the Arduino board. Then signal pin is connected to D8 of the Arduino board. Then in the LCD panel, the ground pin of the LCD panel is connected to the ground supply. Then power point of the LCD panel is connected to 5 volts of the Arduino board. Then contrast pin of the LCD panel is connected to ground pin. Then register select and enable pin of the LCD panel is connected to D12 and D11 of the Arduino board. Then read and write of the LCD panel is connected to ground supply. Then DB4, DB5, DB6, DB7 pin of the LCD panel is connected to D5, D4, D3 and D2 pin of the Arduino board. Then LED anode pin of the LCD board is connected to 5 volts of the Arduino board. Now let's see the code part. Now this is the header file. Liquid crystal LCD is equal to 12115432. This number indicates that we are connected D12, D11, D8, not D8, D5, D4, D3, D2 pin of the Arduino board. Now in the white setup, we can see serial begin. This is to see the output in serial monitor. Now LCD begins 16,2. That means that it has 16 columns and 2 rows. In void loop, we are giving duration comma centimeter, pin mode 8 is equal to output. That means that we are from the D8 pin, the ultrasonic sensor produces the output. So we are giving the output high and delay microsecond to 5. Then pin mode 8 input. This is because to get the bounce back wave, so we are giving input here. To get the input, we are giving input here. Duration is equal to pulse in 8, high. Centimeter is equal to duration 29 by 2. We are dividing by 2 because it's traveling and hitting an object and just returning back. To get the exact distance, we are dividing the centimeters by 2. Serial print distance, then we are giving it as centimeter. Then LCD set cursor 0, 0. That means the cursor will begin from 0th column and 0th row. Print distance from 0th column and 0th row. It will print distance in 10th column and 0th row. It will print the exact centimeter of the wave which returned back, and we are giving the delay as 1000 centimeters. Now let's see the simulation. Now distance is equal to 121 relay is showing. I'm just setting the distance to 122. Here shows 122. In the code part, in serial monitor, it shows 122 centimeter. Thank you guys.